In this guide, I'll show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network on PS4 and reset your password. So, the first thing you want to do is select Settings in the top right, and then go to Account Management. And if you're currently signed in, you'll see the option to sign out here. And once you've done that, select Sign In. Now, this is going to bring you to a QR code, and you want to have a look in the bottom left corner, and you'll see Can't Sign In triangle. So, press triangle on your controller. Now, when you do this, it'll show your email address associated with your PSN account, and it's going to send a recovery email when you press next, so press next. Then it'll say the email's been sent, so go on your phone or computer. And once you open up the recovery email, you'll see it's a password change notification, and you want to select Recover Your Account. Then it's going to ask you to either create a passkey or create a password. I'm going to select Create a Password. Then you want to create a new password and press OK at the bottom. Once you finish creating a new password, come back to the sign in area, which is going to bring us to the QR code. And then once this loads, what you want to do is select sign in manually at the bottom. And from here, you can enter in your sign in ID, email address, and password and go to sign in. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.